Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you another mega development taking place in Runaway Bay. This is the Palm Beach Villas, a massive development taking place on the waterfront. Luxury development. Now, Runaway Bay has become the hottest part of the North Coast. Remember, Draxall doesn't have hotels. It's more residential units. The Runaway Bay now has hotels and they have these kind of massive villas. So Runaway Bay is the hottest real estate on the North Coast right now. A lot of developments taking place. So this is the Palm Beach Villas. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Very nice luxury development in Runaway Bay. It consists of 22 standalone villas located on 21 acres of land. And it's right by the beach. We're going to see it in a little bit. Some of the beach villas. They have 3 different size villas. Okay, there you can see now the beach. Very nice beach. This is what you call a luxury development. Now the villas range in size from 4-bedroom to 5 or 6 bedrooms. And Runaway Bay is on the North Coast. It's between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay. Prime real estate. These can rent on Airbnb quite easily. So the units start at 1.85 million US, but remember these are villas that are like 4, 5 or 6 bedrooms. And just to give you an idea, you can rent these villas from anywhere from $500 a night to probably $10,000 a night, depending on the season and the size. And it's an ultra exclusive villa community, basically a luxury development. It's on 21 acres of land and it consists of 22 standalone villas. Now each villa will have its own private swimming pool and all the amenities that come with these luxury developments. You have 3 kind of villas. You have ocean view villas and it consists of 6 of them. Then you have the lagoon villas, which is 5. And then you have the beachfront villas, which is 11. So the beachfront ones are the ones that we're looking at there now. Very nicely done. Now, based on what we're looking at, it should finish sometime early next year. But this is a very nice development in Runaway Bay. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And we'll give you an update video on this development every 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about these villas. And if anybody knows if they're sold out or not, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.